Hello friends, the time when WhatsApp introduced the delete for everyone feature, sometimes we feel the need that if we can see those deleted messages. And don't you think that it will be awesome if we can read those deleted messages again? So don't worry my friends, this is Avinash and in today's video I will tell you about a trick through which you can read those deleted messages. And now without wasting any time, let's get started. So in order to read those deleted messages, you need to install an app. So simply you need to get in the Play Store and search for an app which is AA Delete for Everyone and simply install this app. And once you install this app, launch it and give the required permissions and you're ready to go. And let me give you a quick example that how you can see those deleted messages. All the deleted messages will be shown here actually in this portion. So let me give you an example. So this was all for today. Please like the video, share the video and comment down in the comment section, and yes, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and ring that bell button so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, take care.